everyone, it's Brittany. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am sharing some of my favorite Amazon products that I've been using over the past couple months this summer. I have things in this video that have made my life a lot easier this summer and just in general, I guess. I have some like home organization items, some fashion accessories, hair accessories, nail things. We got it all. If you are new to my channel, then hello, welcome. My name is Brittany, and I would love it if you would check out my other videos. And if you like them, definitely consider subscribing and giving this video a thumbs up if you like it. I also make cruelty-free beauty videos and sometimes hauls and lifestyle things. So if you're into that, subscribe. Otherwise, if you want to see what I have been loving from Amazon over the past couple months, then just keep watching. The first thing I want to talk about are some trendy sunglasses. Amazon has an incredible selection of sunglasses. It's a really great way to try out some different styles. You can go in on a big pack of sunglasses with your friends and just split them up and you guys can all try different styles. I got this pack of sunglasses. They're all the same style, but they are all in different colors and I just think they're so cute and trendy and I love them so much. It also came with a bunch of like fun, clear, like see-through colored ones, which honestly, I don't know if I want to wear these out in public because that's just not usually what I do, but they're also really fun just for pictures at least, or like costumes. But I've basically been wearing them nonstop this summer and it's a really easy way to just try out some cool new styles. Another trendy item that I've been wearing that I obviously got from Amazon are claw clips. These are everywhere. I used to wear them in my hair all the time growing up, and honestly, I don't know why anyone ever stopped wearing claw clips because they're the most convenient, easy way to put your hair up and it looks really cute. You don't get headaches from wearing claw clips because nothing is like pulling and tight on your hair. It's just super easy. So I went on to Amazon, checked out what they had. There are so many different styles to choose from, but I didn't want to go too crazy. I just got a 2-pack of these claw clips. The other one I'm currently wearing in my hair. I don't know if you can see what it looks like. I just like to always have them near because they're so easy. I've always really enjoyed using hair accessories because for the most part, my hairstyles are super basic. I don't put a lot of effort into them. And when you add a simple hair accessory, everything looks more elevated. This also came in a pack of probably 8 scrunchies, I think. I will have everything listed in the description box below so you can click on the links if you are interested in any of these things. I know that there are a lot of different jumbo scrunchie packs out there too. I just love the look of a jumbo scrunchie around a cute little low bun and pulling out some like pieces in the front and just having like an effortless kind of girly style. It just looks really, really cute and I've enjoyed wearing these giant scrunchies. They're so cute. I have 2 nail related items from Amazon that have made a huge difference in doing my nails at home. I have talked about doing dual form polygel nails at home. There are a lot of videos on YouTube on how to do it. It obviously saves a lot of money. I think it's a fun thing to do for yourself. If you are not familiar with how dual form nails work, basically you have to have some sort of polygel, which is a mix between I think acrylic and like gel nails. So they do need to be cured under a lamp. You put that onto a form for your nail and you basically have to like make sure to hold it properly while you like get everything ready. Sometimes you need to clean up the edges and underneath, and they can pop off pretty easily. So I saw these cool little clear clips in, I think, an Instagram reel or a TikTok video of people doing dual form nails. And I was like, where can I get these? I need to use these for myself. They look like they will make my life a lot easier. So I literally just searched for acrylic nail clips and that is exactly what popped up on Amazon. So I got these. I think these come in a pack of 10. It's perfect if you are doing nails for other people. Sometimes I do that. So that would actually be quite useful for me. But for the most part, I only use one if I'm doing it on myself because I will do one nail at a time. The other nail related item that I got from Amazon is a pack of nail brushes. This is super convenient if you do polygel nails, if you do regular gel nails, or acrylic nails. Most likely, if you do them at home, you're going to need to sculpt the underside of the nail on the form because it gets really clumpy if not. So this is really great to have just to help form everything and make sure you're not getting like huge clumps around the side of the nail form. It makes your life so much easier. And actually this is pretty convenient too if you just paint your nails, because if you dip one of these into nail polish remover, you can easily clean up the edges of your nails and look a little bit more like professionally done and super clean and crisp. Those are all of my fashion related Amazon purchases. I have a bunch of home organization and just homeware in general items that I want to share with you because I've been loving them. The first one is a shower caddy, and I somehow could not find a shower caddy like this in any physical store or their websites. I really don't know why. So this is the shower caddy tension rod system that I have in my bathroom right now, and it has so much room on it. I love all of the shelves that it has. Each shelf has a lot of room. You can fit a lot of different products on it. It's really cool too because some of them have like spots where you can like hang a little washcloth on it, or I have some face brushes and combs and stuff that you can hang on the little hooks that it has. At the top, there is a section that kind of swivels where you can put a washcloth to dry, which is what I always do after my shower. I leave it hanging on the little like handle and it just dries there and it just keeps everything out of the way. I've really enjoyed it. I have gotten some questions about it from friends that have come over and seen it, and I'm sharing it with you because it is awesome. Another home organization item that I got from Amazon very recently is my shoe rack. I have a lot of shoes. That was going to be a bit of an issue with how I was going to organize them in this suite that I'm in, because I didn't want to take up too much of like closet space, and I wanted something that was very skinny and tall to organize my shoes. So what I did is I ordered 2 of these shoe racks, and it's a very simple design. It's not looking super cute or anything, and I did not care about that. I was just more wanting something that was practical for the amount of shoes that I own. Because it is all adjustable, you can decide if you want to leave out one of the little shelf sections and have it for taller boots or whatever it is that you might have. So I ordered 2 of these, and I basically just stacked them on top of each other so that I could have one really tall, skinny shoe organizer. I also wanted to share that I found a really lightweight mirror to go on the back of a door. I wanted one that I could just get changed easily in my room by my closet and see what the outfit looks like instead of having to go into a different room. So I wanted one that was just very lightweight and slim that would hang on the back of a door, and of course, found it on Amazon. And the mirror itself is good quality. It doesn't warp anything. That is one of my issues that I had found with some of the other door mirrors that I found in store, is that the mirror itself would like warp everything, so it looked really weird. I just wanted to make sure that it was gonna be like a normal mirror and what I'm seeing is what is happening in real life. And my very last Amazon favorite that I have been using and loving has actually been something that I've had for a couple of years now, and that is my glass straw collection. I really enjoy recreating the Starbucks brown sugar oat shaken espresso at home. It is so good. It's my favorite drink at Starbucks at the moment, so I've been just recreating it at home, and I always drink them with a glass straw. Like, I feel like I cannot drink those without a straw for some reason, so I've been using my glass straws from Amazon nonstop this summer with my iced coffees. I totally forgot there was something that I wanted to mention that I played recently, but I do not have. It is a really fun and random card game called Taco Cat Goat Cheese Pizza. I will insert a picture of what it looks like here. I will leave it to you to figure out how to play it. It is very, very fun and weird. but it was a great time and I just wanted to mention it in here because my friend did get it from Amazon and my other friend that was there purchased it, I think that night or the next day. So I think you will all really enjoy the game and I will have that linked below. And that concludes my Amazon favorites. Obviously, if there are things that you can find in person, please by all means buy them in person. But I understand not everyone has access to all the things that you could buy at certain stores or you live far away from them. These are some things that are definitely on Amazon. So I hope you're all having an amazing day. If not, I hope tomorrow is better. And thank you so much for watching all of my videos and I will see you in my next one. Bye.